it's Miss Amber. Today we're going to be doing an experiment called dancing raisins. So for this experiment you're going to need some raisins, and you can also do it with some seltzer water or some clear soda. And you're going to need a jar. Okay, so now you're going to take your soda and pour it into your jar. And then once you have the jar full of the soda, you can take a couple of raisins and put them in the liquid, and you can see what happens. The raisins will start to jump up and down because of their density and also because of the carbon dioxide in the soda. You can see that it sticks to the surface of the raisin. So I'm going to show you another way you can do that. You take a glass that's half full of water and put in a teaspoon of baking soda. Then you can slowly add in some vinegar. Make sure you do this part very slowly. Alright, perfect. And then once you get a bubbling mixture, you can take a couple of raisins and put them in the liquid and see what happens. You'll observe the same result where the raisins are jumping up and down. You can also do this with different things to see what happens. So you can try out popcorn kernels if you'd like. I hope you guys have fun with this experiment, and we'll see you next time. Bye!